Hey there guys, welcome back to today's project guide. Sorry I haven't had an upload in a long time now, about a month. We've had some awful weather up here and I've been pretty busy doing lots and lots of side projects for different customers' cars and all that fun. But anyway, today we're going to try to tackle this little bubbly tint mess. I've been dealing with this for the last few weeks. We've had a few storms like I just said, and every time we get snow and it gets a little foggy inside the car, it's almost impossible to see out this back window from all these little bubbles everywhere. So we've devised a little plan over here from one of you gentlemen who sent a comment on one of the videos in the last couple of uploads. I'm not sure exactly which one, but I'll throw your Instagram handle there down in the description. Appreciate the tip there, but anyway, steam. We're gonna try some steam power. These are not actually Essentia water. This is just tap water. This is a handheld steamer. It's got a couple of different nozzle attachments, and we are going to try to plug this bad boy into the extension cord here and see if we can steam out all of this old nasty tint that's everywhere. And hopefully it goes well. I'm feeling confident about it, but you never know. I think I might end up cutting a little hole in one of these big bubbles from the inside, obviously, and putting the steam to that and seeing if it'll just balloon out and spread it open. The only thing else that I'm going to bring out here is going to be a little plastic putty knife, and that might help. I just don't want to damage my defrost. So let's get after this and see if it works, guys. Okay, so I've got my trunk popped open, and what I'm going to do is start attacking it probably right about here. I'm going to cut a little hole in it, like I said, and we got our steamer plugged in, getting nice and hot, and then I'm going to see if I can hopefully get this thing started. I'm hoping that I can heat the glass up enough and have all the adhesive peel right away. So let's get after this, guys. Well guys, that was pretty easy, honestly. I thought it was going to be a hell of a lot harder than it was. This is basically one whole sheet, aside from a couple spots that tore once I got the little tip up inside of the slit that I cut. No memes, please. It actually got rid of majority of the adhesive that was holding it on, but there still is some glue on this back window. You can clearly see it. So next I'm going to try to steam clean it and then hit it with some Windex. And hopefully that'll be strong enough to take off the residue that's left behind from it. And yeah, that'll be it. So there's a little piece right up there in the front that I gotta peel out still. But other than that, that was a pretty clean one pull shot. I mean, it took 10-15 minutes to get all this stuff set up. So steam, hell of a trick. Thanks guys, appreciate the comments. So next let's work on getting some of this adhesive off this glass and clean up our mess, and hopefully we'll be able to see out our back window for the first time. Let's do it. Alright, so that glue is pretty strong that's on there. You can clearly see it. Those little circles are all the little dots where the tint had peeled up. So I'm going to try using some steam with some alcohol and some steam with some alcohol, or acetone and alcohol and Windex. So we got a little threefer and a towel. So I'm going to put a little on this towel, I'm going to steam everything, and then I'm going to try to wipe it with the towel before it all evaporates. Hopefully that'll take off the rest of this glue. Maybe give us a nice clean windshield. Let's try it. Oh yeah, take a look at that. We got ourselves a nice crystal clear rear window. Let's close her up and take a look. Oh yeah, that came out great, guys. That's just a little bit of steam and rubbing alcohol followed by a little Windex at the end there to make it, you know, nice and shiny. Get all the dirt and debris out. But as you can see, all the defrosters are still intact all the way across. Everything looks great. And I can actually look up front and I can see my rear view mirror. That's a huge plus. The only place that I had a little difficulty getting the rest of the residue out is right here behind the third brake light, which I'll take that out sometime soon and finish that up, but 2 minutes of wiping will get rid of that. So, rubbing alcohol and steam. Who'd have thunk it? Worked great. Appreciate the tips, guys. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it that thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see the next fun little project on this car. We finally have some decent weather rolling in, so back to laying in the driveway and doing some major work. So yeah, and one other thing, we still have a bunch of our TPG stickers. If you want to pick them up, hit us up on Instagram at Today's Project Guide. We're getting them for, I think, $1 right now. So the old lady sends them all out after we get orders in. So give us a yell, PayPal accepted, all that fun stuff. But anyway, appreciate you guys watching the channel. Stay tuned for some more stuff. And as always, you take it easy. We'll see you next time. Hit Today's Project Guide. Thanks for watching, guys.